Welcome to the maths class with Lucy. You need to make an effort. You need to attend classes. You need to try hard. You need to hand in activities on time. You need to study a little bit every day because you are in the maths class. You can get 8 points with your exams. In the first assessment, we are going to study numbers, monomials, and equations. In the second assessment, you are going to learn simultaneous equation, Pythagoras theorem, and two-dimensional shapes area, and three-dimensional shapes area and volume. And in the third assessment, you are going to learn functions, statistics, and probability. You can get 2 points doing your homework every day, working at class, solving problems, doing cooperative work, the mark of the plickers, working the flipped classroom, taking pop quiz with notebook, and games. Remember, to complete your notebook, you need to create a cover page that represents you. You need to create a table of contents and keep it current at all times. You need to copy all the information from the blackboard every day. You need to number all pages in your notebook, and you need to write down data and title on every page. Remember, all your work is recorded in your notebook. Students are required to read the notebook every day. Notebooks should be well cared for so they can last through for a school year. If you are absent, it is your responsibility to get with a partner to complete anything you missed. Exams 8 points. Work and notebook 2 points. So your mark is exams plus work if you work a lot, because you need 0.6 at least to calculate your final mark. If the result is less than 5, you have to take the receipt. The receipt is over 8 points. So the mark with the receipt and your work will be the mark of the receipt plus your work if your work is bigger than 0.6. If you didn't pass your exams, you have to take the receipt, and the mark of the assessment will be the maximum value between the mark that you have first with the second mark with the receipt. If you fail the receipt, but if you pass the receipt, the final mark of the assessment will be the maximum value between 5 and the average of the 2 marks. And if you pass the exams and you want to improve and increase your mark and you want to take volunteer the receipt, the final mark of the assessment will be the maximum value between 5 and the average of the 2 marks. Students who didn't pass maths last year can do it now. They have 2 ways. The first way, you have to get more than 5 in the first and the second assessment. Or you can take an extra exam in May. So after that, your final mark will be the average of the 3 assessments. You can do it. Now we are going to copy the dates of your exams. Any questions?